Hello everyone, my name is Altynai. I'm from Kyrgyzstan, but I'm currently based in Eastern Europe. I work as a media officer for an international organization focusing on security issues. The decision to purchase the step-by-step video guide by Mark Halsey came to me as I started facing difficulties when filling out the application for Express Entry system. I had many questions related to how to navigate the system, how to fill in the documents, and what documents to submit. Now I'm still going through the process of applying to the Express Entry system. It has been 2 months since I've been using the step-by-step video guide by Mark Halsey, and it has been great help for me. It is really guiding me through the whole application process and giving answers to specific questions that I didn't know where to search for. And these answers I found on Express Entry, not the CIC official sources. What I really like about the Express Entry step-by-step video guide is that it is very thorough, very detailed, and it will provide you with more than enough information for you to successfully complete your profile and to successfully apply. The frequently asked questions section will also help you to will also offer you a range of solutions to some non-standard situations and difficult cases, and that you might find useful as well. If you are facing the same difficulties as I did at my time, I definitely recommend you to purchase the step-by-step video guide by Mark Halsey.